Alright, let's cut to the chase. You're a hardworking service professional, right? You're out there tackling jobs, delivering results, and building your business. But here's the question that's probably keeping you up at night. How exactly does Jobber pay you? I mean, you're putting in the hours, you're using the platform, but where's the money? How does it get from your client's pocket to yours? We've all been there, staring at a screen, wondering if we've set everything up correctly, if we're going to get paid on time, or if there's some hidden fee lurking in the shadows. It's the kind of uncertainty that can make even the most seasoned pro feel a little uneasy. And honestly, who can blame you? Your income is the lifeblood of your business. You need clarity, you need reliability, and you need to know exactly how the process works. So let's break it down. Let's peel back the layers and demystify the Jobber payment process. We're going to dive deep into the various payment options, explore the timelines, and address those burning questions that you've probably been too afraid to ask. First things first, Jobber is designed to streamline your entire workflow, from quoting to invoicing to getting paid. And when it comes to getting paid, they offer a range of options to suit your needs and your client's preferences. Let's start with the most straightforward method, Jobber payments. This is Jobber's integrated payment processing system, and it's designed to make getting paid as seamless as possible. Think of it as your own personal payment portal, directly integrated into your Jobber account. With Jobber payments, you can accept credit and debit card payments directly from your clients, either online or in person. When you send an invoice to your client, they'll see a Pay Now button. With a few clicks, they can enter their card details and boom, payment processed. You get notified instantly, and the funds are deposited directly into your linked bank account. Now let's talk about the timeline. How long does it take for the money to hit your account? Typically, Jobber payments deposits funds within 1 to 2 business days. That's pretty quick, especially when you consider the traditional payment processing methods that can take several days or even weeks. But what about fees? Every payment processor charges fees, right? Absolutely. Jobber payments charges a transaction fee for each payment processed. This fee covers the cost of processing the payment, ensuring security, and maintaining the infrastructure. The exact fee can vary depending on your location and the type of card being used. However, Jobber provides clear and transparent fee structures so you know exactly what to expect. Now, let's move beyond Jobber payments. You're not limited to just one payment method. Jobber also allows you to accept payments via other methods, giving you and your clients more flexibility. One popular option is to accept payments through third-party payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. You can integrate these platforms with your Jobber account, allowing you to accept payments through them. This can be particularly useful if you already have an established account with one of these providers. Another option is to accept cash or check payments. While these methods may seem old-fashioned, they're still widely used, especially for smaller jobs or by clients who prefer traditional payment methods. When you receive a cash or check payment, you can manually record it in Jobber, keeping your records accurate and up-to-date. Now, let's address some of the common questions and concerns that service professionals have about Jobber payments. First, what about security? Is Jobber payments secure? Absolutely. Jobber takes security very seriously, and they use industry-standard encryption and security measures to protect your data and your client's payment information. They are PCI compliant, meaning they adhere to the payment card industry data security standards. Second, what happens if a client disputes a payment? Jobber provides tools and resources to help you manage disputes and resolve payment issues. They also have a support team that can assist you in navigating these situations. Third, can you set up recurring payments? Yes, you can. Jobber allows you to set up recurring payments for clients who require ongoing services. This can save you time and effort, and it ensures that you get paid on time every time. Fourth, can you accept tips? Yes, you can. Jobber allows you to add a tip option to your invoices, allowing clients to show their appreciation for your hard work. Fifth, can you track your payments and generate reports? Absolutely. Jobber provides comprehensive reporting tools that allow you to track your payments, generate reports, and gain insights into your financial performance. Now, let's talk about some best practices for getting paid on time with Jobber. First, make sure your invoices are clear, accurate, and professional. Include all the necessary details, such as the job description, the cost of services, and the payment due date. Second, send invoices promptly. Don't wait until the last minute. Send invoices as soon as the job is completed. Third, offer multiple payment options. Give your clients the flexibility to pay in the way that's most convenient for them. Fourth, set up payment reminders. Jobber allows you to set up automated payment reminders, which can help you reduce late payments. Fifth, communicate with your clients. If you're experiencing any payment issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your clients and discuss the situation. Finally, keep accurate records. Maintain detailed records of all your payments, invoices, and expenses. This will help you track your income, manage your finances, and prepare for tax season. Jobber is designed to make getting paid as easy and efficient as possible. By understanding the various payment options, following best practices, and utilizing Jobber's tools and resources, you can streamline your payment process and ensure that you get paid on time, every time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.